Rice Krispies.
Foot bracelet!
That's mine. That's for me.
Thank you,
Isn't
Kyle.
that pretty?
Well, I knew you liked blue, and I knew you liked cats.
Okay, Sean, you need to pick something. What do you think?
How do you know that we like Ninja Turtles?
Oh, I think it was just a wild guess. A little bird told me.
A little bird?
Mm-hmm.
Would you come over
Kyle?
to this?
No.
Oh.
Another little woman.
What's her name?
Joe.
Joe?
The other one was Amy. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
You gave her my Barbie doll?
Sorry, Nathan.
Hugo Boy pants! Alright, I want one of these. Mine with my Bugle Boy sweater.
Sean, you can look at it later.
Uh-oh.
You're puzzled on your list.
Yeah. Thanks.
Get so excited, Kyle. Well, I think we should save the rest for tomorrow. What do you think?
No!
Oh, electronic drums. You know I like drums.
This wasn't on
You
my
got
list.
the headphone thing. Well, we did get some things that weren't on lists.
Oh, that's not the one I wanted. The one I wanted was the one with the sticks in it.
Come on, stick. Fingers.
Wow!
And here. My goodness, you went on a real spree.
Let me pick one.
When did you get all these?
Oh, thank you. That's so. Stereo yet?
I want to
Oh,
see it.
that's so beautiful.
What's her name?
Thank you. This is Meg.
Oh, isn't she beautiful?
Now I have all the little women. Thank you.
Oops. Bless you. Oh, bless you.
Look, Sean. Seahawk socks.
He likes them.
Hey, Riley, time to sit.
You know, Sean, Sean's smiling.